Hello and welcome to the June video newsletter for the virtualinstructor.com. I'm Matt and just want to thank you for taking a look at this video newsletter. And if you're watching this on YouTube, just follow the link in the description below and it'll take you to a page that has all the links for the new videos and articles and tutorials that I've added to the website this month. So I hope you'll take a look at those. I'm really excited to share with you what's new on the site this month. So in just a few minutes, I'll be going through each one of those videos and tutorials briefly. I've got some exciting things happening for the membership section of the site. There are a couple projects that are in development right now. I can't really talk about them too much yet right now. But I want you to know that I'm working hard to create some new content and some great things for you guys on the site. I hope to have two new really great cool things added to the site by fall. So I'm really excited about that. I've been doing a lot of work on that. In the meantime, let's take a look at some of the live lessons, some of the new free videos, and some of the new articles that are featured on the site. First video I'd like to share with you is an hour-long live lesson on how to draw marbles with colored pencils. This is for members only, the recorded live lesson is, but no worries, if you're not a member, you can check out the free version, which is excerpts of this video tutorial. Links are provided to both of these below. I've also added a very quick but informative video on what drawing is really all about. No excuses here. When you break down the drawing process into a drawing cycle, the whole process of drawing is made a whole lot easier. This is a free video. The link is provided below. I also have added a brand new module to the Pastel Landscape Mastery series. It includes a 22-minute high-definition video, as well as an ebook that follows the video. In this video, we take a look at drawing rocks in the landscape using pastels. This is a members-only video and members-only ebook. Also added to the site is an hour-long recorded live lesson on drawing a seated figure. We started off the hour-long lesson by doing a couple warm-up exercises, and then we moved on to drawing a figure in a seated position. This hour-long recorded live lesson is available to members, and the link is provided below. We also had a two-part video series on acrylic painting. In the first part, we took a look at underpainting, and in the second part, we finished up the painting by adding local color. This is a recorded two-part live lesson for members, and excerpts are provided as well for those of you who are not members as a free video download. Thank you for taking a look at this month's video newsletter. I hope that the articles, videos, and tutorials that I've added this month are helpful to you and help you on your journey to creating better artwork. I'd like to remind you to visit the Facebook page, facebook.com/thevirtualinstructor. There I post every time I put up a new video to the site, I post a link to that new video or that new article on the Facebook page. So there you can keep yourself informed to what's going on in between these video newsletters, of course. And I'd also like to remind you that I've created a podcast. There are 10 episodes on the podcast. They're all video podcasts. That's part of the Apple iTunes store. There's a link to it below. You can download the videos there for free. I would encourage you that if you like those videos and you like what you're learning there, that you'll give it a good rating. Until next time, I hope you enjoy making art. Remember to enjoy your life, enjoy what you do. I've included a survey with this month's newsletter. It is a very super brief survey that will only take you 30 seconds to fill out. I want to make the virtualinstructor.com the absolute best program it can be for learning and developing yourself as an artist. And I need your feedback for that. So if you'll just take a few minutes to fill out that survey, I'd really appreciate it.